Good morning, everybody. Just trying to get my computer up and running. Again, I'm not sure why our Imagine Learning website is cutting off things. But anyway, welcome to Unit 3, Part 2, Science Vocabulary. So in Unit 3, we are talking about the world and the environment and different types of environments and habitats and all of that that's in the world. So last week we talked about a lot about plants and life cycles, and this is just continuing that environmental end of things. So as I read through the definitions and give the example sentences, you are going to fill in the information in your packets. Remember to get your crayons out to mark things that are nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay. Like always, nouns are usually red, verbs are usually V in blue, and then an adjective would be an A in green. Okay. But let's dive into our vocabulary. Our first word we have is the word city. City is a noun. A city is a large town, a very large town. San Francisco is a large city in California. So here we can see the picture of a city. In a city, you're going to see a lot of buildings. Many of them will be very high. You'll see a lot of apartment buildings and businesses. You might see a little park, but not many trees and woods and things like that you would in a place that's a little bit more rural. So make sure you mark city next to the correct definition on your packet and give it a red N for noun. Okay, let's go on to the next word. Weed. Weed is a noun, so mark it with a red N. A weed is a wild plant that grows where it's not wanted. These dandelions are weeds. So weeds tend to grow very quickly, and they are kind of designed in nature so that they can spread quickly. So think back to our helicopter project where we talked about seed disbursement. How do you think dandelions grow where they're not wanted? How do you think they get where they're not wanted? Go ahead and fill weed in the proper spot and mark it with a red N. Okay, now that we're back into the rhythm of things, I'm going to start moving a little quicker. Desert. A desert is a very hot, dry area where few plants grow. Desert is a noun. The desert gets very little rain. And here we can see a picture of a desert environment. Our next word is rainforest. Let me try to move myself out of the way here. Rainforest is a noun. A rainforest is a thick tropical forest where a lot of rain falls. Rainforests are homes to lots of interesting wildlife. I'm going to take myself off the screen now so we can finish up our words. Vine. Vine is a noun. A vine is a plant with a long stem that winds its way up trees or fences or runs along the ground. The vine grows up the tree. So we can see where the vine grows. It's not just one particular plant that's small and can be in a pot. Vines usually travel much further than where their root systems are. Okay. Let's go over to our academic vocabulary now. Diversity. Diversity is a noun. Now, I changed the definition of diversity on your packet just a little bit. In the book, it tells us that diversity means a lot of different people or things. The thing about diversity also is when you have diversity, there's a lot of different people or things. They have sometimes different features, different traits, different skills. Okay. So in our school, we have a lot of diversity. You have people from all different cultures and backgrounds. So our school has a great diversity of people. And diversity is a noun, it's a thing or an idea. So you're going to give it that red N. Next, we have environment. Your environment is the kind of place where you live. So think about your environment and where you live in comparison of this environment. This is a hot, dry environment. Organism. An organism is a living thing. This leaf and insect are both organisms. Okay, so if it's a living thing, it is considered an organism. An organism is a thing. As it tells us, it's a living thing. So it is a noun. Protect. This is a verb. So we're going to use the blue crayon, give it a blue V in the corner of your paper. You protect something when you keep it safe. Sharp spines protect the plants from animals. So as you can see, this is a feature or an adaptation that this plant has to protect the plant or to protect itself. Unique. So unique is an adjective, so it's a describing word. So you're going to take out your green crayon this time and you're going to put a green A for adjective. Unique things are different from other things. So I don't know why the picture doesn't match the sentence here. I guess because there is a question along here. It says the yellow flower is unique. Oh, there it is. Sorry. I had to scroll down. So here we can see among the red flowers that there is a yellow flower. So the yellow flower is unique in this group because it's different. What is unique in this picture? So if we're looking at this picture, we can see the zebra here is different from the rest of the group, which makes it unique. Okay. Once you have all of these filled out correctly on your packet, make sure you bring your packet over for me to see and just give it a little check. If you have any questions or need any help, always feel free to come on over. See you guys in class. Bye. Gotta stop this. Where's the stop button? I lost the stop button. Oh, there it is. Bye.